everyone, this is Caustic John again with another tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be focusing on how to make a Drake type beat in Caustic 3. So I have made first of all one of those. So this is a song. So when it comes to Drake, it should be dark beats, dark melody. It should not be that loud, it should not be that clear also. So that's how Drake makes his songs. But the beats should be very clear and sound more powerful. So I made it like that. So I'll give you a preview on how I made Drake's song. So this is the beats. I made the hi-hat separate from the pattern. So that's the hi-hat. Then I added some effects also. Actually can be heard in Drake's most of the songs, and this is the most famous sweep which he uses. Everyone might have heard that. So then I put an 808. So Drake uses 808 and bass. Bass is mostly used because he in most of his songs a bass is heard more than 808. But today I focused on 808 because since it's a rare type, since it's rare I focused on it. Then a slow bell I've added. That's it. And then for the I made a dark melody. I added a whole bunch of reverb in that too. So this is the lead. So to make things dark, you have to put low pass and cut off its frequency to the darker white section, as I have done over here. So as you can see, the low pass has been reduced up to here for the loop to make it dark, and I have decreased one of the octave with the help of pitch and time, so it can become more dark. Then for the bell, I have reduced the darkness of the with the low pass and increase the resolution up to here. So the bell also can be heard low. For the sweep I didn't do anything. For the hi-hats too. And then for the lead I reduced the low pass up to here, and then I decreased one of the octave so it can be heard more dark. So now this is the whole song which I played together. So this is the song I made. In the last I have put a delay at the last, and in the loop as you can see a slightly reverb is added, and in the lead also I have added a little reverb up to half, so that the voice can be kind of airy, so it's kind of darkens out. And I'll be sharing with you my entire wave files. So I used this is the Drake type beat kit which I used. And this is the effects, loop, bell, sweep, hi-hat, lead, and the 808 and everything. So I'll be sharing with you. So if you understood some tips and tricks to make Drake type beat, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please click on the bell icon to receive more further notifications. Thank you everyone.
Go.